What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about mouse. Now, I've been covering on the last video, it was all about a Cedo mouse. It was really minimal, ergonomic mouse, perfectly. Now, today we're checking out something which is so amazing. This is from F Mouse. We have it. This is our product in here, so we're gonna just do some great and amazing unboxing in here so as we can check it out what's happening. And as some of you guys can see, that's the box in there. So let us just get started because I'm really pumped to see what's inside. And as you can see, we're having the mouse in here. I'm gonna keep it first of all aside, and we're having the USB-C cable. As some of you guys all know, the standard right now throughout the EU is USB Type-C, which is really amazing. Kind of great and amazing paperwork in here, which is really awesome. You're gonna just check it out and read it. So many times I tell you guys to check out first of all the paperwork before you use the product, which is really convenient. Right now it's about time to check it out, and there you go. Wow, that's a transparency mouse, which is really amazing. You can see everything inside, which is really cool. I love about it. And another kind of stuff, the scrolling now captured me throughout like Logitech MX Master. You can see this kind of scrolling, the way they kept the wheel is just the same as this one. It feels the same, and it's silence. It's not even making sound. It's really silent mouse, which is really amazing. So this is really dope thing. Now let us just open it. I think you just have to open it this way, and there's this plate, which is a magnetic plate in here, which is really cool. So let us just open this plate just like that, which is great. We don't need this one anymore. So when you open it, you don't need this one. You have your dongle in here, which is really perfect. You're going to remove that dongle, and on the dongle side, when you return it, it's magnetic too, so it won't just mess out or go anywhere. It just sticks here on the mouse, which is really amazing. So you just remove it, return it, it snaps too, which is great. Now when you're done, return your mouse case. You can see it's snapping. You can open it this way, just like, I think opening it, you can open it even just somewhere here. Just don't squeeze this one, the plastic, you can break it easily, but on this side it just snaps. Really cool. Another kind of stuff which is so great about this mouse, it uses Bluetooth. In case you just don't want to use the mouse wireless transmitter, the dongle, you can use the Bluetooth side. Now you just turn it on by this way, and it will just be on right now. As you can see, it's on, and we can use the mouse perfectly, man. That's dope. And you can increase the DPI and decrease the DPI just to work smoothly, and it's really cool. So let me say I'm using my phone, right? This is my smartphone in here. I want to connect with the mouse. You can see BT5 mouse. I can just connect there and pair it, and when done, I can use my mouse with the phone. So just like that, you can see there's a mouse there coming in here and there, and I can even go back to home just like that. I can scroll, which is really insane by using only the phone. And another kind of stuff, I can even switch back to my computer easily, and I'm back to the machine, and I can continue use my machine in a perfect way using this mouse. It's really amazing, and you can even add another extra computer in here so as you can use on the mouse. This mouse, it's really cool, and it gives you a great and amazing kind of bunch of specification in here, which it's amazing. Okay guys, let me say right now I'm working on something right now. I want to go real quickly home. Now this is much better for the office if you don't want to get noted by your boss or anybody. You just press this button, pop, it will just go to minimize, and you're good to go. So it's a really stealth button to not get noticed what you're doing, so I kind of love that. I can call it like stealth, and you just press the button real quickly and it will just minimize and continue with another workflow, which is really amazing through this mouse, and I love that. Well, it's a wireless USB mouse which has two modes, which is a Bluetooth and a USB dongle mouse, which is really great. It comes with a variety of colors, which is space gray, green bean burst, youth powder, vitality orange, and a space blue. The one which we're having, it's called vitality orange. It has a DPI of 800, 1200, 1600, and even 2400, which is really great. Product material, it uses the ABS quality, which is really amazing. Talking about the battery capacity side, it has 400 milliamp of battery, which is really awesome. And another kind of stuff, it's a magnetic transparency upper cover, which is really great throughout snapping on it, and it's really amazing. This is the F mouse, and to be honest, it's packed with bunch of features on it, and it's really amazing. The DPI, through changing it, it's really incredible. The stealth mode, I call it the stealth because when you press this button for the home side, it takes you back to home, which is really convenient. And the buttons, they're really stealth. They're not like clicky, they're just silent clicky. And another kind of stuff, it's magnetic, so you just remove it from here, this side, as you can see, and when you snap it back, it just snaps and you're good to go. This is a really brilliant mouse, and to be honest, I kind of love it. And to be honest, you get to see what's inside. That's really amazing. And on charging side, you just use the USB-C on charging, which is really incredible. And yeah, I feel like I've captured enough of the mouse, which is really insane, and I love the mouse the way they kept it. The style, it's really dope. It's my favorite color. I like the way they kept this kind of color. It's really dope thing. I love the scrolling wheel. Feels like Logitech MX Master 3, but this one is a little bit smaller, so the Logitech it's quite bigger. But it's really amazing throughout this mouse, and it's a really budget mouse. It doesn't break your bank. I think it's a really worth it mouse. That's what's up, guys, about the video of today. Let me know in the comments down below, what is the most captured you throughout this mouse? What captured you mostly? To be honest, on my side, I like the stealth. You press the button, you go back, it minimizes everything. Another kind of stuff, I wish this mouse to be having the front and back button. It would be nailing. It would be like, ooh, that's crazy. I wish they could just keep it here. It would be much awesome. It's quite not bad, but still, I wish they could do that. But overall, still, it's a great mouse under that kind of budget. It's a really amazing thing. Another kind of stuff, guys, you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here to never miss any new tech video. I usually roll out each kind of tech video in a great and amazing way, so some of you guys can understand and get the info clear to just know what you can purchase and what's good for you, and to know what's happening on the tech industry. Another kind of stuff, get subscribed. Yes, definitely, just do that. Another kind of stuff, guys, I'll be checking you on the next tech video. It's quite been really amazing, and how to on the next one. Take care and kudos, guys, and peace.